How to create e-commerce website in WordPress. But before that, if you don't know what is WordPress, it is a widely used open source content management system that allows users to create, manage, and modify website easily without requiring extensive technical knowledge. And the first thing that you need to do from here is to simply log in your WordPress account, and after that you will be able to be directed on this dashboard where it will show you on the left side panel some of the options to navigate and to start creating an e-commerce website. Just proceed by clicking the appearance option on the left side panel and click themes. And from here, to add a new theme, just click this add new theme button and just search this Astra. After searching on it, just click the install button, and after installing it, you also need to activate this one. So all you need to do is to wait for it to load and click the activate button on the top panel in here to proceed. In which upon activating this one, it will show us in here that we can start creating a website using the starter templates, and clicking this button right here to do it. Then you will automatically be directed on this page and it will ask you how would you like to build your website. And I'm going to choose using these classic templates. And after that, it will ask you to select a page builder and just click Elementor option. In which by doing so, the next thing that you need to do is simply choose here the templates. And as you can see, we have here a variety of options to choose from. But just click this e-commerce right here and select here what kind of e-commerce store you want to create. I'm going to choose the clothing store, and below it will show us the result. So all you need to do is simply select here the templates that you prefer by clicking on it, and it will ask you to add also a logo in here on the left side panel, to change the font size, the font style, and many more, and even the color palette below here that you prefer. So as you can see, upon clicking any of this option on the left side panel, it will show you that the changes is now being applied. And now to proceed, you'd also scroll down right here and click the continue button to proceed. And it will ask you to also select a features. We have here page builder, contact form, or you could also add a donation if you want to, automation integrations, video player, but just click the continue button or skip this step if you want to. And after that, from here, you also need to tell about a little bit about yourself, including your name, your work email, and also in here your position, and also why are you building this website? Is it for you, for a company, or many more? And from here, I'm going to select I am an example of beginner, and I am building this website for myself or my company. Then click submit and build my website button below here. And upon doing so, you will be directed in here and it will show you that it is being currently installed, and all you need to do is wait for it to load until it become 100%. And to see what our website looks like, just proceed by clicking this view your website button to proceed. And upon doing so, you will automatically be directed on your website right here, in which as you can see, you can start navigating some of the option, the offers, and also some of the product it has in here that you can start customizing. And to start adding or changing some of the products in here, all you need to do is simply go back on the dashboard by simply clicking on the top left corner in here the logo of WordPress. Then you will be directed on this page, and on the left side panel just click this products option. By clicking on it, it will show you in here some of the list of the products in this website, and you can start editing it contains or the elements in here by simply clicking on this website and click this edit button. Upon doing so, you will be directed in here, and all you need to do is simply fill out the required information. You can simply change the name in here, black hoodie, and below the regular price, for example, I'm going to change this into 100 US dollar. And below you can even add a sale price if you want to. For example, I'm going to enter $80 as a sale price. And below you could also start changing the description of it and even the photo on the right side panel in here. And to save or update, just click this update button to proceed to save the changes. Now if you go back again on this page, it will show us in here that the changes has now been saved or update. So that's basically how you can start changing or simply editing or customizing here the products in this website. And now going back on the page or our website, if you also want to start customizing the website itself, you can simply go back in here and it will show you the option edit with Elementor on the top panel. By clicking on it, you'll be able to be directed in here where you can start changing or customizing the whole website using the editing tools that you can navigate on the left side panel. They have here elements of widgets and globals, or you could also start clicking any of the elements in here. For example, this text, I'm going to change into the context that says our clothes is unique. And aside from that, on the left side panel, you could also start customizing to change the style, the advanced settings also. That might help you to change the typography, text strokes, and color of this text. And you could also change here some of the pages using the elements, layout, and widgets on the left side panel or the editing tools in here that you prefer. And if you also want to visit some other pages, just simply click the option in here that says Home, where you can visit or navigate this Contact Us, Cart, Checkout, but make sure to also change or save the changes that we just created. And now upon clicking on any of the specific pages we want to browse, you should see here the content of the pages, but as you can see at this point, there is no current or other page aside from home in here that has been saved or published. But again, if you also want to start customizing, you could also click the edit page button on the top panel to add or edit the pages that you prefer. But again, by clicking this edit with Elementor, you could be able to publish it by simply clicking on it or click the publish button on the top right corner after editing or adding your changes, adding your logo, set up your global font and colors, set up the header, assign a homepage, and many more. So basically, creating an e-commerce store on WordPress is highly beneficial for several reasons as it offers a powerful e-commerce plugins like WooCommerce and Elementors that provide all of the essential features for running a successful online store. But overall, that is just basically how to create e-commerce website in WordPress.